Maria Nkarubo orukoranka Principal Officer Department of Emergency Medical Services o Ministry y'amagara nagira ngo abasize kutendeka abantu barukwinga n'imitwaro 2 omukujanja babantu barukwete ngo obujanjabi bw'ahon'aho konka nagira ngo nubache.
In terms of care system, we are trying to establish and regulate bystanders. That bystander response system that has been mentioned about, the borders, you can see the contribution they are making to response. Some people are taken to the facility and responded to by borders.
Okurugera hari ripote ya rugiro mu kucondozo kwakozerwe abatwaweze mu mwaka gw'2021 omuhendo gw'abantu abarukuza omarwaro ga government nabagayobohereza bwago wagerageranisa n'abantu abarukuza omarwaro g'abantu buntu.
That those that go to the public facility, their rating is lower compared to those that go to the private facilities. And we have seen from the discussions in the hall that indeed the private facilities tend to provide better services compared to the public facilities. So that means that there are a number of barriers that limit the quality of services provided in the public facilities.
Nkarubo nagira ngo ministry kwenda kongera obuhereza eguzireza ambulance 250 kandi nibenda kugura ezindi igana ezo kugaba mu bicweka bitaro bimwe na bimwe mu ihanga.
Kati ngabo kunja kwa ekyokulabira ku ambulances tezijja kubeera awo nti ziri ku malwaliro zitudde. Ambulances zigenda kubanga nga zitambulira ku regional level nga buli muntu yena waali abayetaze obwetaavu abufuna naye nga coordination eva ku regional level.
After getting all these experiences through COVID, then now management of emergencies is much more easy because of that kind of manpower, but also manpower and also the capacity.
Twaweza neyenda ngo habeho okwegesa abanya-Uganda emiringo eyibakubasa kukwatamu abantu abarukwete ngo obujanjabi bw'ahon'aho. Amakuru agashakwa na Good Fatima.